Joshua's CFT Performance. Wanted to showcase a brand new product that I just came up with. Been working on it for a little bit, redoing designs and so forth. We got a complete bolt-in catch can. Pretty much internals of this whole entire unit is the same that have been running on the EcoDiesel models for the last 2 years now. They've been working amazing, working awesome. They've been error-free. So we're gonna step it up. We're doing whole entire 6061 aluminum fab can. Still has easy drain valve on it, so you can just, pop it right open, drain it. You can get their adapter to go in here and put a hose on it. So you never even had to ever remove it or anything. You could drop a hose straight down to your vehicle when you're doing your oil changes. Open that up, drain it right down to your drain pan. It's real simple. Really wanted to make this install as friendly, fast, and easy as possible. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do the install of this. Literally takes 5 minutes. Then all you need is like an 8mm wrench and a 13mm wrench, and then a pair of needle nose pliers or something. Take off the factory clamp onto the unit, and you're pretty much done. So I'll go ahead and show you this install. So the install on this unit's real simple. I've already taken off the factory hose clamp on here, and also there is a factory holding bracket that's right here that's mounted there. You'll need an 8mm wrench to get in there and take that off. Once that's off, you can go ahead and take this hose and pull it off. Then you just go ahead and route it over here off to the side for right now. We're gonna reuse the factory hose. That's how we're gonna make it real simple. This little harness piece pops right off. It's already threaded through the factory. So all we're gonna have to do, take the supplied bolt, bring in here, and thread it on down and in. Now we'll get that bracket all in there. Then you go ahead and take your hose clamp, and put your hose clamp on, put it on. Take the new supplied hose that I put in with the kits, put the hose clamps on the kit, bring that on down in here to where the factory unit ran. Put that on there, then you're on. Go ahead and take your next clamp, put it on, get this in here, put it all the way in, then you're right there. Now you just got to readjust your hose and lines and everything to make sure that's all kink free and you're all in place. Make sure you're not creaking anything else. Then all you got to do is tighten everything up and go about your day. That's how simple it is. Thank you.